Class 9, Chapter 1, Number Systems, Module 1. Good morning, children. So, today's objectives. In this module, you will learn about the chapter Number System Introduction part. Now, listen carefully some introduction about numbers. Early humans in the Paleolithic age lately counted animals and other everyday objects by counting tally marks into cave walls, bones, wood, or stone. As early civilization developed, they came up with different ways of writing numbers. By 7th century, Indian mathematicians had perfected a decimal positional system which could be represented any number with only 10 unique symbols. These symbols are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, so students, we know about number. So this one is the introduction part of about the numbers. Okay, so now listen carefully. The first type of numbers that we know, what is that? Counting numbers. Oh, another name is what? Natural numbers. So at first the numbers are used for counting. These numbers are called what? Natural numbers. So which are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, which one is the last natural number? Yes, it is what? Endless. We know that. Now, we denoted this by the symbol n. Natural number denoted by the symbol which one? N. Okay. Now, the next number is what? Whole number. So, the natural number together with 0 are called what? Whole numbers. Or the natural number along with 0 are called what? Whole numbers. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now we denote this by the symbol W. Every natural number, so listen carefully, every natural number is a whole number. But every whole number is not a natural number. Why? Yes, we know 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number because of that. Okay, clear? Now the next one, what? Integers. The whole numbers together with negative numbers are called integers. So connect all these numbers. First one, what? Natural number together with 0, whole number. Then whole numbers together with what? Negative numbers are called what? Integers. Now which are they? Examples. They are etc. Both sides it is endless. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now integers are denoted by the symbol which one? Is Z. The next type of numbers, what? Rational numbers, that also we know very well. So the number which can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This one is what? Rational number. It is denoted by the symbol Q. So listen some examples. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, -2 by 5, 1 by 3, etc. Okay, where P and Q are what? Integers. Now listen carefully, one point. There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So we know the rational numbers. Then the point is what? There are infinitely rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Okay. So, all these numbers we know very well. Now, we can move to the problem. Simple problems are there. Okay. So, are the following statements true or false? Give reasons for your answers. First one, what? Every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. Above we discussed what? It is true or false? What? It is false. Why it is false? Because 0 is a whole number and it is not a natural number. Clear? Now the second one, what? Every integer is a rational number. Okay, so it is true or false? Yes, it is true. Why? Because every integer m can be expressed in the form m by 1, that is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, -2 by 1, -5 by 1, etc. And so it is what? A rational number. Every integer can be expressed in the form what? every rational number is an integer. Because why? So rational number can be expressed in the form what? M by 1. Here integer m. We can represent using the what? M by 1. So every integer is a rational number. We can represent all the integers by 1. Okay. Now the last one what? Every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. It is wrong. Why? Because 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, it is a rational number. But that number is not an integer. Clear, students? So simple type of questions are there. Sometimes it carries 1 mark. Okay. Now next type questions carries 2 marks, sometimes 3 mark also. Okay, simple question. Why? You know very well this type of question you have learned in the lower classes. That is, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We need to find out how many rational numbers? Yes, 5 rational numbers. So the first step is what? We need to add 5 plus 1. So what is 5 plus 1? Yes, it is 6. Now we can write 1 as 1 by 1 and 2 as 2 by 1. Both one you need to multiply using what? 6 by 6. So 1 by 1 into 6 by 6, 2 by 1 into 6 by 6. What is the product? Yes, 6 by 6 and 6 into 2 what? 12 by 6. Now we can write the rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Which are they? After 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. Up to that. Yes, 5 rational numbers are there. Okay. Clear, students? Now, next question, simple one question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? Yes, 0 is a rational number. We discussed what? It can be represented in the form 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. So, all that 0 by 1 is what? 0 itself. 0 by 2 is what? 0 itself. Like that. Okay. Now the next one. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now, here also we need to find out 5 rational numbers. So, listen carefully, students. If 5 rational numbers are there, we need to add 5 plus 1, 6. If it is 6 rational numbers, what? 6 plus 1, 7. If it is 3 rational numbers, 3 plus 1, 4. If it is 10 rational number, you need to find out. So, 10 plus 1 is equal to what? 11. Multiply that given rational numbers by 11 by 11. Clear? So, here given what? 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So, we need to find out 5 rational numbers. So, first what? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, the given rational numbers 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Multiply 3 by 5 using 6 by 6. Same as 4 by 5 into 6 by 6. What is the product? Yes, 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. Now, tell me, which are the 5 rational numbers? Yes, in between these, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Yes, correct 5 rational numbers between these two. Okay, now since you have no textbook, I'll give that TMLA question also here. What? That is exercise first one. The 2 questions, TMLA, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. First question. Second one, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. First one, every natural number is a whole number. Then second, every integer is a whole number. Third, every rational number is a whole number. Okay, so clear, students? Okay, thank you.